now 2025 and I am 25 years old. I could say that I have accomplished a lot in life. I've worked with a bunch of artists and producers that I never dreamed I could work with. However, I'm still living with my parents, unemployed, and not making anything near six figures. However, it's not gonna stop me. I spent a majority of my life clinging on to my parents' expectations of me. I believe that the only way I can make it is if I were to chase college and get a 9-to-5 job. So that's been holding me back. I didn't go all in on music. I kind of try to dabble in everything. So I learned how to code. I went to college. I even tried to become an actuary and like learn a little bit statistics. And all of that was just a distraction from what I really wanted to do. And that was music. I thought that if I could chase a stable job, then I'd have more funds and income to be able to make music without worrying. But that has been detrimental to me. You see, there's a lot of people that are getting ahead of me. Sorry, I had to switch lanes. There's a lot of people that are getting ahead of me, but I was still stuck trying to learn a lot of different skills. I wouldn't say that it was a hindrance though. Like, I do love learning. I did love math in high school and college, but I was not going all in on music. I could have seen success. We chased the stability to avoid taking risks. And in 2025, chasing stability is an even bigger risk than chasing risks of owning a business or pursuing your dreams. Because I spent 2 years applying to like 500 different companies and didn't get any of that. I wasted my time. Don't be like me. So now I'm gonna focus on music. I had a lot of time to think about this while I was in San Francisco with my friends. They're on the similar path as me, but they are pursuing the more TikTok influencer route. Being around them just made me feel like I was able to focus on what I really wanted to do because they're on the same path as me. I'd rather be around people like them. Influencers who are on a similar path, creatives who want to make music and follow their dreams, even if it's a really big risk. Versus somebody who's working a 9-to-5, is probably super miserable, doesn't like how the boss is treating them, and overall just doesn't want to continue on with their day. I'd rather be around people who are happier chasing their dreams than miserable people working 9-to-5s for my whole day. Think about it, that's a whole day. But anyways, here's a San Francisco vlog, and this is where I thought about this a lot.
No, he's not gonna sleep. You know, where am I driving?
San Francisco.
It's like apartment, right? What's up, gang? We out here, you know what I'm saying?
We out here in Miami cribs.
Brand new Benz, brand new Maybach. Got brand new if you must, I can't change it.
I'm gonna make a vlog.
Hey, that's me a blunt.
Getting my shoes dirty. She got her Uggs wet with pee from the porta potty.
No, that's a lie. That's a lie.
I'm not lying.
No, he's lying.
I'm with my sister Haley, and we're dating.
Taking it. She's taking it. Wait.
Where are we? We're in Japantown.
Oh, yeah.
song was playing in the car. Welcome to San Francisco.
If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers.
Apparently he's a Burmese model, but I don't see it, bro. Why do you drink like that? Guys speak English. I'm just kidding. Just for content. Oh wait, no. How do you say your dick stinks in Burmese?
Lina.
Line.
You mean yours?
Oh, and then in Tagalog, it's mabaho ang titi mo.
Ang baho. Baho means stinky.
Mabaho.
Mabaho ng titi ko. Mo.
What is Nanditi?
Nang is like yours or the. She's already winded. They need to go on the Stairmaster more. This is An's training for modeling.
What? I retired 2 years ago. I retired.
Nobody knows that.
Hey. Sadly, I didn't make it. Hey, sadly, I didn't make it out the hood. Where was Mala?
This is really cool.
Oh, this is the 7 lady?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're streaming right now.
Baby, you think we should take a picture here, right here?
I think it's no.
DJ, take my picture.
Yeah, but when you walk the hill, you can see with the view at the back.
Oh,
I know, I saw it.
one lone seal.
Where they all go?
So cute. Yeah.
It's got some chocolate fudge.
Some chocolate. Ooh, yummy.
And I got beauty in my mouth.
Uh,
Alright, cheers.
Hey, cheers.